You should not be 70 working at McDonald's. I'm sorry. You can't tell me you're doing that because you're bored. No, you're doing that because you're broke. And I'm not saying that as a diss. What I'm saying is that we have to stop taking advice from people who don't know the system. And if they don't understand anything about the Federal Reserve, about Jekyll's Island, about how the tax system was created, if they cannot articulate that to you, I don't take advice from them. So there is not one troll on this internet that can unwaver my confidence in this game, because I actually play the game. Let me tell you why people become trolls. It's because they're trying to figure out why they're stuck. And as opposed to just asking for a helping hand or want to research it themselves, they get mad. That stuff don't bother me. It's like Teflon. Look, I'm okay. I know how to play the system. I operate at it at a very high level. And my students learn how to operate this at a high level. Ain't no troll on this earth that can make me question the game that I'm playing, because it's documented.